day will be the R9s. They're coming in on track 3. I'm sorry, they're coming in on track 4. This will be the last trip of the day. But we'll be here bright and early tomorrow. We'll be ready for you. Meanwhile, 3-track is going to go to 5-track. We're going to start lining up the trains for the benefit of conductors.
But the only bad thing about that one is that they left it out at the end for years. A lot of water and snow and stuff kept getting in the motor. This is the shop now. I don't know if there's spare trucks in there. Trucks kept getting flooded out with water. So they had to keep them in the car all the time. You have all the wrong people at the right time. That's the problem. That's all the time. It's in the shop now, but I don't know if there's any more trucks for that thing. I don't know if it's ever going to run. It's protected. And somebody kept going up there, fumbling with the motors to try to clean them out. What happened? They built it from scratch. People delivering food, transit workers, all of them are called essential workers.
Just put that stuff first. They have like all weird things. The store was in the different store. Oh. What's your book like? So as I said, was in Chicago, car 1, the Lexus L, 1893. Only car in New York, Dead Avenue L, then House 53, 2nd Avenue, 23rd and 3rd, April 1955, 1903. Then from here, a little bit, yeah, that's the same years. They were 10 years now. I'm from North Bay, remember that? The work rate. I worked in it. Watch it.